Okay, good evening, good evening, good evening. For those of you who are able to join us, we are so grateful to have you. For those of you that may come back to this recording, equally grateful that you are making the time, investing in yourself with regards to getting information and just opening yourself up to the opportunities that are out there for growth, for learning, but also just to extend that financial ceiling that I would normally refer to in most of my posts. So I'm Leandri Petrus, and together with Leonie, we will be facilitating this session where we talk about how you can rebuild and that your story, whatever you may have gone through up until now, that does not define you and it definitely is not the end. So you are in for quite a treat, I believe. We've got some exciting news to share, things that you may have, if you follow us, have seen on social media, but I think just having us in this session and a close up, I trust that it will enlighten even more. So, on that note, maybe just quickly a little bit about myself before I give to Leonie. I'm a single mom. I'm still in corporate, but I just came to a point where I realized there must be more to this life than just to, you go to work, you come back, you're stressed still every day, month to month, no change. I'm even in a place where right now, due to economic circumstances, my company can't even invest in training really, not in the growth time. So I found this opportunity and it has been so far in an amazing almost 7 months that I've gone through. And but here to tell you even more would be Leonie. And Leonie, over to you.
Hi, Leandri. Thank you so much for the introduction. I am excited. I'm very excited. I'm always excited if I can share information that really can transform your life. So, yes, a little bit of myself. I'm Leonie, a mom of three beautiful kids that I love to bits. And yes, I was a corporate junkie for more than 25 years, being in the HR field, living with mom guilt, work my butt off, yes, work myself sometimes into exhaustion. And when COVID come, I was ripped of everything. I lived off handouts. I found myself homeless, and this is something that rebuilt me as who I am today. And there was one phrase that kept on playing in my mind. This is not how my story is going to end. And that is why I've made it my mission to explain a little bit more, to tell you that wherever you find yourself right now, this is not the end. Just smile and wave. I have a friend in Cape Town right now. She always tells me, just smile and wave. And today I want to tell you, smile and wave. This season will pass as well. There will come a season that you will look back and say, oh my goodness, thank you for not giving up on myself, because at the end of the day, it's your life, your responsibility. Mel Robbins say it so beautiful. Nobody's coming. And she says so nonchalant, nobody's coming, that you just have to lean in it and just listen to him more. Nobody's coming. So, yes, with no further ado, I will just present to you what I have prepared for us. So, tonight, if you are in a season where you starting over, you have this financial pressure, cost of living arising every single day, and things are not the same anymore. You know something need to change. You already know it. You know you cannot carry on like this. You look for another option, but you still are so confused in the online space. You've been watching people, you've been downloading freebies, you've been attending trainings like this. It was a training like this that have led me made a decision. And the only thing I can tell you, you will never regret it. You will never regret start learning skills in the online space, because I've just learned like 5 minutes ago before I get up here, 400 of Foschini stores in South Africa are busy preparing for closing down, not closing down completely. 100 stores are going to close down. 300 are restructuring because they're going to move more online. So this is it. This is the world. This is the future. And it's a sad reality because so many people will lose their jobs if they are closing down 100 stores. Oh my goodness, how many people or families will be affected? And it really shocked me when I read that. And it was like, oh my goodness, where is this world going? But this is where the world is moving towards the online space. And if you can start learning skills where you can earn and learn at the same time, you set yourself up for success. Because sometimes you are looking for options. You know you're meant for more. You know you cannot stay stuck where you find yourself now. You are ready to create another and a different future for you. But sometimes you are so overwhelmed with all the information on the internet. And you must remember one thing: building an online business, building a business on the internet doesn't sleep. The internet works for you 24/7. And if you can build something that you can learn the skills, how to leverage your internet, it will set you up for success. Because where does your perfect customer hangs out? The internet, social media. So if you can learn how to attract them, you can learn how to let them invest in your program, invest in your business. This is how it is. You don't have to DM, you don't have to cold call, you don't even have to ask people or door dashing like we used to do. Like we used to sell Tupperware, Avroshlane, all those things. We need to door dash. That time there was not even cell phones. We need to call people or we door dash to get our products out there. But now things are shifting and things are shifting fast. So yes, I've shared about my story a little bit. COVID have changed my life a few years back, and I really had to start over. I had to start over, rebuilding myself, rebuilding my confidence, rebuilding my future, rebuilding who I want to become. And I thank God that I didn't give up. I know there was times that I really wanted to give up because my confidence took a knock, a huge knock. But if I looked at my kids and they looked at me, I know I had to move forward. I know my faith was grounded in God, and I know how things could work out for you. But you have to hold on. You have to believe that this is not how your story is going to end. You have to believe that this is not the end. And what I've learned through this hardest time, through my rebuilding season, most people stay stuck because they are waiting for the right moment, waiting till the coffee gets cold, waiting to feel ready. And they are overthinking every single thing. And they are so afraid of making the wrong decision. And I know how it feels. And they are hoping that things will change without changing anything. And that is not how things is going to work out. If you don't change anything, nothing will change. If you don't make that first move, it's like chess. You don't make that first move, you will not win at the end of the day. So sometimes it's hard to make that move. Sometimes it's hard and difficult to get out of your comfort zone. But once you realize that the world is changing, once you realize you've been waiting, it's already the 6th month, and I'm not even counting this month because we are already halfway. So if you are in a season right now, you know you are meant for more. You know this is not how your story is going to end. You know you have big plans for yourself, but you're still stuck because you are waiting till you feel ready. You are waiting for your confidence. You are overthinking. And so other people doing the same have the same opportunities, but they are moving because they know exactly what they want in life, and not that you don't know. They are moving because they are taking the leap of faith. Because the truth about change is most people think you must first get confidence before you can take action. And that is just the other way around, because the reality is you have to take action and then your confidence comes. uh, just uh, just think for a moment when you get your driver's license. I know how it felt. It's many moons back. I was so scared to get into that car and start driving. I was driving just for short distances, and then I started driving. And the more I get into the car, the more confident I become. The more longer distances I start driving, and that is exactly how it is to start something new. I know that we didn't grow up with an online business or starting in the online space. For the longest time, we were not exposed to the online space. We were not exposed to make money online. We were not exposed to even earn in another currency as your own currency. But life has changed, and the internet create opportunities for us that you don't even have fancy skills or degrees. You don't even need it. You don't even need a huge following. You don't even need to be an influencer, because confidence grows when you move and not before. And I really want the penny, I hope the penny drop for someone, because if you want to be the confident person, you have to move. You cannot sit in your comfort zone and think everything will work out, because where will you be 6 or 12 months from? Sit back and just think for a moment. You know exactly where you find yourself. I don't know. I know where I find myself right now. I don't know with what are you struggling right now. I don't know with what are you rebuilding at the moment. But the one thing I know, you need to ask yourself this question, and you have to be so honest with yourself. Where will you be 6 or 12 months from now if nothing changes? I want you to ask you that. And if you have a notebook, write it down, ponder on that question. Go into the new week with this question and ask yourself, I have dreams. I know I can do it. I know I'm meant for more, but where do I want to find myself? Even if you have to redo your goals that you have set for yourself in the beginning of this year, even if you have to start taking a notebook and say, this is what I want to achieve by the end of this month or by the end of this year, and you are working towards it. Because the thing is, you cannot set the goals if you still not change in everything or anything, because the habits that you have right now, you need to create habits to move you closer and closer to your goal. And the three things that I would do if I had to start all over again, I've started in the online space about 2 years ago, but if I have to really start over again, I would build for me digital equity. What does it mean? I will, because social media is unreliable sometimes. And if you can start your business on social media, you can start creating an income for you on social media. But later, you are building a digital equity, which means you are start creating an email list. You build your email list, you build a community, and you build your own audience away from social media. That is how you can build digital equity, and this is everlasting. You will learn high income skills. You will learn how to market, how sales is working, and how to communicate your skills to your perfect customer. That is the second thing I would do, and I would build an ecosystem. I would build content, I would build my email, I would build a community, and I will create my own office. This is where the world is going. So you can start with affiliate programs, you can start with digital marketing, but once you're in and you see, oh my goodness, I can turn my passion into profit. I can start doing things for myself. I can create more offers, because the smart thing of this program, DMS, is you become an affiliate, so you get 90% commission. But the beauty of it is they are teaching you how to create your own office, how to create your own program, how to create who you want to. turn your passion into profit. And that is the nice thing to do, because then you are having your own signature. And there is so many reasons that I can recall, and so many times that people get into the digital space, get into affiliate marketing, just to learn skills, and then they realize, oh my goodness, I can now create my own signature in the online space. And that is where everyone started. So why most people never start? It's because they are waiting for the perfect timing. And perfect timing will never come. They are waiting to have more confidence. And I've explained to you what is confidence. Confidence only comes after action. They are waiting for more certainty. Our jobs was so secure. It was so certain that we start this job and we will retire. But with everything going on in this world, with the digital space that is booming at the moment, with every business, and so many businesses are taking their companies or their businesses in the online space, things are not certain anymore. So you cannot wait for certainty anymore. And so many people are so reluctant, if I can say it that way. Sometimes they feel, oh my goodness, why must I invest in a course? I will try to do it all on my own. It's taking them longer. They are frustrating because they don't have the support. And at the end of the day, they just say the online space doesn't work because they were trying to do it all on their own. And they could not do it right. They didn't have the support. They didn't have a clear roadmap. And now they said the online space is not working. But what really changed for me was I found mentorship. Oh my goodness, it's gold for me. It was such an amazing uh, um, part of the online space, this program that I found mentorship, that is mentoring me, that knows exactly what is my shortcomings, what do I need to grow in, what do I do next. And that is how I started a beginner-friendly program. I found a proven roadmap. I didn't just think, what am I going to do next? I found a roadmap that teaches me step by step where to go the next one, where to go to the next step, and that is a roadmap. If you envision for yourself just a little bit, take, nowadays they have the GPS and the phones have all this maps on, but that in the olden days, when I grew up, we had this big roadmap. And when we traveled as a family, we had this roadmap, and we take a pen and we circle, this is where we want to go. Imagine for yourself, that roadmap is in front of you. You found a proven roadmap. What does it mean? It's already proven to work, so you cannot get lost. And that is it. It took me back to my childhood years, where I see my dad always stand with this big roadmap, and this is what I found. Everything changed for me when I found a proven roadmap that showed me from point A, then to point B, then to point C, and then I get to my destination. I've learned so many skills that completely change who I am and who I want to become. The way I speak to people, the way I treat people, the way I build my business, the way I become confident, the way I grow. It's the skills that I've learned, and I've started to growing my confidence. You must remember one thing. A few years back during COVID, I didn't have any confidence. I was always a confident person, but COVID have his way. I'm saying it's a his, it's not a her, because COVID have its way with me. And there was sometimes that I didn't even know what is my next chapter or what is the way forward. And I didn't have any confidence. When you go through a hard time, even if you divorce or you lose a child or something happens, something bad happens to you, you always think that if you walk in the street or you're in a shop or whatever, people think, oh, there's the woman that is divorced, oh, there's the one that lost a child. You always think that, but that is, you are in your mind and not in your heart. And I want, and that is what I've learned with this program. It grow my confidence. I become the confident woman that I always wanted to be, and I was always like that. But sometimes life is squishing all the power and all this this thing out of you, your personality out of you, and you think, oh my goodness, if people just look at your greet you or just stare at you, they might stare at your shoes. Now you think, oh my goodness, they are thinking now I'm going through stuff. And that was me not so long ago. I've started to seeing the possibility. What is the possibility in the online space? So I want Leandri to play a testimony from a previous webinar that was held inside another community. It's a normal Namibian mom. She's not an influencer. She's not a celebrity. She's a full-time working mom on a farm, but she chose to move. And what really changed for her was she was learning skills, she was taking action, she showed up consistently, she communicate if things are not working out. She was surrounded by a global community, and she created momentum for her and her family. So Leandri, take it away and play that testimonial.
I'll do that in a moment. Just one moment, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back on track. Leonie, you can maybe just confirm that you can hear when I start.
Okay, you can.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sunay. I'm a mom of three.
Could you hear that?
Yes, you can start.
Also in Namibia.
Let's start from again.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sunay. I'm a mom of three living on a farm, also in Namibia. If you knew me in real life, you would never imagine me speaking on a live webinar because I'm a huge introvert. I'm the kind of person who would rather sit quietly and listen to everyone else in the room than speak up. That's how shy I actually am. If someone had told me 7 months ago that I would be showing up online, creating content, speaking on videos, and even sharing my story on a live webinar like this, I honestly would never have believed them. When I started scared. I started unsure, overthinking everything, wondering, will this even work for me? Can someone like me actually do this? And I want to say this because so many people feel exactly the same way, and those feelings are normal. The confidence doesn't usually come before you begin, it comes after you start. I initially started with DMS for the money. I don't think really anyone starts for another reason, but I started because I wanted options. I wanted a way to earn an extra income. I wanted more freedom. And then something I never imagined possible happened to me. I never thought that sitting on a farm in Namibia without sacrificing time with my kids, because that was the biggest thing that I needed. I didn't want to sacrifice time with my kids. And I could earn $2,000 in a single week. I'm not saying this to brag, but because if you had told me this, that if this would be possible, I would never have believed it. And that is what DMS is giving you. It's giving you opportunities you never thought possible. And that's what making me so passionate about sharing this with others, because sometimes that things that feels impossible is actually just unfamiliar. Things that you think is only possible for people that are famous or not regular people in Namibia, it is just unfamiliar. What I received through DMS turned out to be worth so much more than the investment it took me to get started. Yes, I'm really grateful for the income this journey has created for me, but more than that, this journey changed me. I thought it taught me valuable skills. It built me confidence. It taught me how to step into uncomfortable situations and grow through them. It taught me how to stop shrinking myself and finally take ownership of my space. I just want to say that we all start as beginners. We all have fears. We all have that awkward feeling sometimes, and we all doubt ourselves. But how you choose to face those fears and keep showing up anyway, that changes everything. So thank you so much, Lizelle, for this community.
Thank you so much, Leandri, for sharing that beautiful testimony on another webinar that we had in another community. But it was just so profound to share it, just to show you that you don't have to be in another country to make it happen for you. So I wanna fast forward. Yes, but what if you didn't have to figure out this all on your own? Because people don't fail because they are incapable. People fail because they try to reinvent the wheel. The fastest path is you learn, you implement, you get support, and you stay consistent. This is the way you are going forward and you are moving forward. And the digital magnetic system that I'm so proud of, because I'm so proud to be part and partial of that one, is the DMS. And the digital magnetic system, she is designed for beginners like everyone. We started new in the online space. It's step-by-step training, it's community support, it's proven systems. Learn while you earn, and you build digital assets. And who is this for? It's for people who are looking for another option, people who are willing to learn, people who are prepared to take action and not sit on the fence any longer, people who are ready to build something for their future. And the sad reality is, who is this not for? So if you are falling in these categories, don't even come look for it, because this is not overnight success. This is not, if you refuse to learn something, this is not for you. This is not for someone else to do the work for you, to spoon feed you. This is not looking for magic, because we don't believe in magic. This is really put in the work. So I want to share with you, if you are ready to learn, you're ready to you are in a place where you learn and you want to grow and you want to move, this is for you. Because the digital magnetic system is a system that you get a full done for, the DMS Pro full done for you. You are getting a full done for you business module setup. You get the resale rights to the starter and the pro. You are getting 12 exclusive PLR products. You get a 30-day content strategy plan. So you don't get up in the morning think, oh my goodness, what am I going to post today? You get a roadmap to your first 10K online, faceless marketing strategy, perfect class, a masterclass, a customer masterclass. You get the magnetic sales formula. You can create your own digital product, and we give you the 10 plus certification, pot coaching, and you get guest speakers. And then we have the DMS start. Before I go ahead, the price is 1197 for the DMS Pro, but I have a surprise for you if you stay till the end, plus your $75 activation fee. This is to activate your website. With the starter, which is 497 US dollars, you get almost everything the same as the Pro, but not the pot coaching, not the certification, I think not the masterclass as well, the customer masterclass, and you get only 5 resell products that you can resell. So Leandri is going to quickly set up that video for us for the birthday promotion, and then we're gonna round off. If you can just play that quickly for us, so
Okay,
that we can.
yes, because we've got about 5 minutes left. Let me quickly do that.
Drum roll, okay? If money has not been going great, if you have been in a cycle, all the more reason to learn some skills to make your own money so you stop relying on other people. Amen? Okay? So we know money is not the issue, but in a way to celebrate, we really wanted to offer this, just our way of giving back and letting more people in. Okay, so what we're doing is we're giving 50% off on starter and on the pro. Okay, with this, we're gonna do it for the next 10 days, guys. So until the 20th of June, you will be able to get this credit. We do not do payment plans on this because the price itself is ridiculous. Okay, so we're not doing payments plans on this. So as of now, what you can do is you can get back to the person that invited you on this call. Okay, you know you're gonna be so excited, and this is you're gonna ask them for the link to start, and this is the coupon code that you're going to use. Now, here's why I'm sharing this with you now. Because tomorrow we are launching this to the public. Our emails are set to go out tomorrow. We are ready to.
There you got it. You have seen the prices. I've shared the prices with you, but now you get another 50%. So you don't pay the 1197. You are paying 50% of that. You are not paying the 497, but you pay 50% discount. And why this matters is because this isn't about the discount. It's about deciding whether you are ready for your future, for a different future, or are you going to sit on the fence and watch? Because a year from now, you'll wish you had started, or you sit and watch other people living your dream life. That is why we are sharing this. And you must remember, this is not how your story is going to end. Your current chapter does not define your final chapter. So I want to thank each and everyone that was here. If you have any questions, I want you to jump after this live. I'm going to take 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to jump on to answer a live Q&A. So if you have questions for this, anything that you wrote down that you want to ask us, please use the same link to get in, because we're going to say goodbye, but then we're going to come in again if you have any questions. Are you ready to set yourself up for success? Because our goal as coaches inside our community is to create you the unstoppable version of yourself before 2026 say finally goodbye. And with that, I'm saying goodbye.